Hey guys, it's me, Blaine. I'm back again. And today I have something to show you that my friends from Hansshow, they sent me. And what it is, well, I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition, the newest one. It's all white with the white interior. Well, the one thing that I haven't tried yet is an armrest. And they have this armrest that sits up a little bit higher than the rest of them. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys and then we'll install it. Let's take a look at it now. All right, like I said, I have a 2026 Tesla Model Y with the Juniper. And my friends from Hansshow, they sent me this right here. So let's take a look at it, take it out of the box. Now, I do know that they have two of them. They have one that's in this black Alicante or something like that. It's a soft cloth material. Then they also have a shiny carbon fiber glossy one, okay? Which it's not really the style I'm going for. So if it is what you want, then take a look at it. But anyways, here it is right here. All it is this armrest is going to slide right over my original one. But what's cool about it is it gives me an extra drawer, and it's all lined, soft, so you could put a pair of sunglasses in or something that you don't want it to get scratched up or anything. But it's pretty cool because now you have extra storage. You got more storage than what you had before. And really, it's just plastic, but it's got a soft material right here, so hopefully it won't scratch up my armrest that I currently have, and it just kind of slides right on, and that's it. And this is really soft, and it's got a little bit of padding on it, a little cushiony, and it's going to be good for those long drives. So let me go ahead and install it and see what it looks like with me. All right, just to show you mine currently. So I had this, I did have a cover right there on it that I just kind of slid over, and it's pretty nice. It just gave it that white look, but this is the original drawer right here, or the original armrest, and it's just like this. So anyways, we're gonna take this one here, and I'm just gonna slide it right on there, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Bring this up a little bit. There you go. I just pushed it down about halfway, got it on there, and then I slid it down. So you don't slide it the whole way, but look at that. And I can still utilize the drawer. That's actually kind of nice. Yeah, my arm just sets up a little bit higher, but, oh, I like this. What I'm liking about it is that a lot of times I'm driving, and I'll show you here, and I'll have my phone up here on the screen. And when I'm driving, and I'll sit here and twirl through videos or whatever, but now my arm is sitting up higher, it's not gonna get as tired sitting there like that. But anyways, take a look at this. And as you can see here, I already got that extra sunglass holder mounted right here, and it's still no problems with it. Pull out the drawer. It's not very deep, but let's see if my glasses will fit in it. I don't think, nope, these glasses here won't fit in it. At least the way they're folded up there, it won't fit. But maybe it's a thinner pair or something like that. But I'm gonna leave my sunglasses down here anyways, right there. And then this, I can just use for maybe put some gum or candy or something in there. But this is pretty nice and easy to get to, smooth and soft. I like it. And I like the fact it's a little bit higher up, and it's gonna be good for my arm when I'm reaching up here. I like that. Well, there you go, guys. Showed it to you. Works pretty good. It's nice, soft, made out of plastic. I mean, it feels good. I like it. And what I like about it is bringing my arm up about a good solid 2 inches. So now when I'm playing with my phone, which, you know, you shouldn't, but hey, when you got full self-driving, why not, right? And anyways, it works pretty good. So I think I'm gonna like this thing. So anyways, if this is something you're looking for, once again, my friends from Hansshow sent it to me. I'll have the link down there in the description. Make sure you use my discount code. Just click it, go check it out. If you like it, get it. But no matter what you do, make sure you use my discount code to save yourself some money. You can use that discount code on anything else that they have in their website, and it'll help you save some money. So guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on the video, subscribe to my channel for more stuff. And guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.